everybody. Today we are going to see vocabulary about day and night. This is Miss Gladys Machado. The vocabulary that has to be with the day and the night. There we have a red line that at the top represents past meridian, PM, past meridian. And at the bottom we have AM. That means in the morning, after meridian. Here we have the midday or the noon that is represented with 12 o'clock at noon, no? 12 midday. Here we have the midnight, 12 midnight, that is represented with 00, okay? The 0 time, 12 midnight. And here I put a moon for you to remember that that happens at night. These two lines are dividing the day in 4 parts. Here we have a picture that represents 6 a.m. That is the sunrise or dawn. Dawn is the first appearance of light in the sky before sunrise, very early in the morning. Then on the other side, we have 6 p.m. or 18 hours. That is the sunset or dusk. The time in the evening when it starts to become dark. This section where you have the sunrise and noon is the morning. Afternoon up to 6 p.m. is the afternoon, as it says. Then from 6 p.m. to midnight is the evening. And from midnight to 6 a.m. when the sun rises down, that is the morning. I hope that everything was clear. Thank you very much. You can see this video as much as you want. I hope everything was clear. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.